The pantry is one of the parts in the kitchen, which is taken from the French language, namely pantry, which means a place to store cooking tools and equipment as well as food ingredients before being processed. By definition, Homedit describes a pantry as a small room or cupboard where food, dishes, and utensils are stored. Although the definition, or frankly the idea, pantry may not be the most glamorous part of your home design, but pantry still has functionality as an area that can be designed as well as possible. Pantry can be presented by utilizing a large room or even with a small cupboard in the corner of the kitchen. With just a little skill, you can make it feel like an aesthetically pleasing and pleasing-looking part of the house. Especially if you create a pantry look that is in harmony with the overall style of the house. For example, if the kitchen cabinet is dominated by white, then carrying the same concept for the pantry will make it feel like it's not a cupboard. Rather, it is more like an important aspect of your home, which will ultimately help you to keep it tidy better. This mini pantry design cleverly maximizes space by combining different storage styles. An adjustable top shelf provides accessible storage for spices and cutlery, while a shelf mounted below the bottom shelf holds pickle bottles. A thin shelf mounted on the back of the double doors can store oil and liquid cooking spices. It looks simple and very minimalist, but who would have thought it could accommodate all your storage needs? Worth emulating, right? Have various collections of coffee beans or spices in large quantities? As a reference, you can place them in glass jars that are arranged parallel to the library-style pantry. The exposed display without doors or glass is getting more lively with light blue as the dominant color. At the bottom of the pantry, there are a number of drawers that can be used to store electronic cooking utensils. The kitchen room is not only a place to cook, but also a place to relax and chat. If you want a more modern kitchen space, a modern-style pantry model is one of them, adding a modern pantry design in your kitchen area. You can try to place a large cupboard as a pantry that seems to blend with the wall. In the pantry, you can place a frying pan and other furniture. If this video is useful, please subscribe, like, and click the bell, and don't forget to share it with your friends. Thank you.